Yan, gusto ko din yan na paraw. Sale. Tudu! Yan ang aming parcel. Okay, we're going to barge, floating barge, iba-iba para sa mga water activities. Ayun ang gagawin natin, yung parasail. Ayan. Safe na safe tayo. Safe ka kuya. Paano pag nahimatay ako sa taas? Yan. Baka sumuka ako.
Okay lang sumuka ako.
Okay lang kuya sumuka ha. Parasail. Hello kuya, okay na yan. Going back to station 1. Our sailing done. Sailboats. So, different water activities. Ito yung mga nagparasailing. Doon, may nag-beach party sa boat. Slides in the log. So, nandito tayo back sa room at nagpalinis tayo kanina. So, very clean din, very nice. And I highly recommend that you stay here sa Royal Park Hotel sa Station 1. Ang downside lang is nandun talaga, actually downside siya or I'm not sure if it's a benefit na nandyan mismo yung parang port ng mga speedboat, ng mga sasakyang pandagat, nasa harapan na siya. So, it's more accessible if you're going to utilize or access or avail the different water activities kasi nandyan yung drop-off and pick-up point. And other than that, ang sarap ng unlimited na buffet. And also, the service, very accommodating, very homey, beachfront, and to Nigi-Nigi, which is my favorite place here in Bora for night activity. As if naman na-avail natin lahat. But it offers good drinks and better music. Going to Nigi-Nigi.
Kasi may mga kasama yung siya iba na wala dati. Like yung kawa, but good siya. Those to have breakfast for today. Chicken. Duda ako ng egg, pancit, and rice. And coffee. Sarap sa burger. Yay! So beachfront. From the Kalachichi tree. The Kalachichi garlic. Kagayon? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Puka Beach. So, ang haba niya. Nandun from there. Papunta doon. So, coarse na yung sand niya but still very white. Pero ang dami din niya mga ino-offer na activities like kayak, food, meron doon banig. Tapos you will just order your drinks. Kaso syempre mas pricey kaysa sa dun sa mainland. So yan, meron ding sand castle. Tapos merong mong Puka Beach na name. So, this tour cost 900 pesos. Yun na yung parang across the board, yun yung rate. So, mag-iiba-iba na lang ng bangka. And it will take around 4 to 5 hours. So, first destination is Puka Beach. So, hindi tayo maliligo dito kasi lalamig din tayo. Though, meron tayong beach towel from the hotel available. Kalachichi.
Okay po, ma'am.
May snorkeling na tayo. So, see you later.
Yan. So, nandito na tayo sa lunch area. Ayan yung kawa. So, some of the food, barbecue, refill na to. pauwi na lahat ng mga nag-parasail. Ay, no, not parasail. Paraw and yung sunset cruise. Ayan, yung mga nag-sunset cruise, na pauwi na po sila. So, probably in our next visit, so we will do that activity together with Paraw. Can you hear them dancing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so that's 5. So, may isa pa na nag-party sa sunset. Oh, wait, ayun. So, very fun din activity. At yung mga Paraw sales. Good morning! So, yan, medyo may greening tayo dyan. Seaweed. Last day in Boracay. So, mamaya ang pick up natin is 11:30. So, that is door to door. So, ito yung lumot. And nung day 1, wala pa to. Wala to. So, may mga hotels na tinatanggal sila sa front pag ganitong morning. So, nire-rate siya. But that's fine. Ayun po siya sa dagat. So, but you can still see the beauty. Balik na tayo kasi magbe-breakfast. So, it's 8:15. So, hopefully, I still have time. So, kain tayo ng madami. It's 8:15. So, we still have 1 hour to just lie down sa beach. Ano pong soup ito, ma'am? Sopas. Sopas. Ito po ay pork.
Oh, white. Pansan.
Last few minutes. So I will just stay here sa may beach while waiting na mag-time na para to prep to go home. Unexpected turn of events. Naligo tayo sa dagat. Where it is. Boarding pa ay in 2 hours. So, nag-lunch muna ating lunch. So, I ordered spam. This is 2:30. Ayan. So far, okay naman. Madaming rice. Spam with egg. We want something na may rice. Okay, let's eat. So, white mocha.
This is not yet boarding announcement. Once again, we are not yet boarding. Please be advised